Unit 8 World Heritage Learning Outcomes. After we have studied the unit, we will be able to listen for specific information, read and understand text through silent reading, ask and answer questions, describe a place.
Unit 8, Lesson 2, the Shampura Mahavihar. Shampura Mahavihar at Paharpur, Badalgachi Upazila, Nauga district, Bangladesh, is the best known Buddhist Bihar in the Indian subcontinent. It is one of the most important archaeological sites in Bangladesh. Describe the pictures of Shampura Mahavihar to your friends. Read the text in section A and say how the following dates and names are related to Shampura Mahavihar. 1879. Sir Alexander visited the Shampura Mahavihar in Paharpur. 1919. Indian Archaeological Survey declared that the site of Shampura Mahavihar would be protected. 1923. Systematic and regular excavation started. 781 to 821 AD, the second Pala king Dharmapala built the Shampura Mahavihar in Paharpur. K. N. Dikshit, he supervised the excavation work from 1926 to 27. R. D. Banerjee, he excavated the northern part of the central mound in 1925 to 26. Click on the words. Excavate. The archaeologist is excavating the land very carefully. Meaning, remove earth carefully from an area in order to find something old buried by digging. Lofty. The monument is lofty. Meaning, very high and impressive. Archaeologists. The archaeologist is excavating the land very carefully. Meaning, it is the study of culture of the past history and the remains of buildings and objects found in the ground. Archaeologists is a person who study archaeology and finds something old buried by digging. Mound. The children are playing on the mound. Meaning, a large pile of earth or stone. Shrine. The shrine is very quiet and peaceful. Meaning, a place of worship. Devout. The devout persons are praying. Meaning, pious. Expedition. The astronauts are on an expedition. Meaning, an organized work for a particular purpose to find out something which is not well known. Reputation. Jimmy has a good reputation for his punctuality. Meaning, the opinion that people have about someone or something. Monk, monastery. Two monks are standing in front of the monastery. Meaning, monk, a religious priest. Monastery, a place where monks live. Read the text in section A and write yes, no, or not given beside the statements. The text depicts the lifestyle of the people of Shampura Mahavihar. The text is about the excavation history of the place. The king Dharmapala has founded the Bihar. Both K. N. Dikshit and R. D. Banerjee were archaeologists from Archaeological Survey of India. Cunningham could continue with his expedition without any interruption. Thousands of years ago, a great civilization flourished near the river Indus. This is known as the Indus Valley Civilization. Among the cities that the people built, the two most famous were at Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Listen to the text on the Indus Valley and fill in the gaps. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are cities located near the river Indus in Pakistan. So the civilization is known as the ancient Indus Valley civilization. For many years, this civilization remained undiscovered underground. In 1856, when a railway line was being built between Karachi and Lahore, the workers found some bricks while digging the ground. These bricks were from the Mohenjo-daro civilization. Later, in 1922, the area called Mohenjo-daro was excavated and two big cities, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, were discovered. Both the cities were built on the same plan. The houses were built of burnt bricks with square courtyards, bathrooms, and very good drains to carry the dirty water away. The roads were straight and broad. Two great buildings were also discovered. There were the Great Bath House and a large granary. The bath house had a swimming pool, a changing room, and bathrooms. There was arrangement of cold shower too. In the granary, people used to store grains. Many broken toys, seals, statues, jewelry, and pottery were also discovered. The people of the Indus Valley traded with the Mesopotamia, Iran, and Afghanistan. They gave cotton, ivory, and gold, and got silver, tin, and wool. Watch the imaginary animation on the Indus Valley people. Talk about the Indus Valley people's lifestyle with your friends.